Hi there, in this quick video we'll be taking a look at this Starry Sky light projector Nightlight from Melinera, and you can find this at Lidl. So, as you can see, it's already out of the box, so we are not doing an unboxing in this case, because we already have this thing for at least 2 years, if not 3 already, and we also have a pink one, but it's not here. This is one of those products that I did not intend to make a video about, but it's that good and reliable that I decided, hey, this thing actually has earned its right to have a video. So it's quite a simple thingy. It's a projector. It will project, as you can see, green, red, blue and also white stars on the wall and ceiling. It also has a rotation feature. It can be powered by 3 AA batteries and also via 5 volt USB. Although it does not have a USB input, it comes with a cable from USB type A, the old one that most phone chargers have the connection for, to this barrel connection. But even with batteries, this thing lasts a lot, and I mean a lot. So our daughters really like it. If you want to see more info about it, I'm not sure if we have English. Yes, we do have English. Feel free to read all of it. These are the modes, so you can have it single colors, all of them, changing colors. It's quite a smart thing for something that basically kind of looks like a toy, and our daughters love both of them, and that's why I decided that, hey, this it's worth to have a video. You can use it like this when it does not project any clear shapes on the ceiling. It's just a nightlight and all the colors are basically on it. So this one, rotation on off. First one, if you want just to have white light as a nightlight, you can also just turn on colors, different colors or color changing. This thing is really cute, and obviously you can have let's say all of them, where's the color changing one, together. And if you want to have also projection on the ceiling, it's like this, and it actually projects really well. So yeah, I really like this thingy. Batteries, again, 3 AA's right here on the bottom of it. Let's turn it off for a moment, and I'm going to show you. This can be taken off. Yes, our daughters did press it a little bit, so it has a few dings, still working perfectly. It does not really care about that. You can take this fully off by rotating, and we have our LEDs here. Quite interesting LEDs, honestly. Not what you'd usually find. If you want a bit of info about who made this PCB, or maybe the whole thing, they made it for Lidl, we might have some info about that right here. So, white one middle, red, green, blue, then in pairs, all 3 of them, not color changing, and last mode, switching from one to the other. This is a really nice product itself. And rotation mode, there's no clear off button for it. So if you want this thing off, let's say it has this one on and also rotation. When you shut the LED off, it also shuts off the rotation. So there's no chance of leaving just rotation on and using up the batteries without you noticing, because for rotation to work you need to have at least one LED on. So that's quite a nice feature. And yeah, honestly, I'm going to show you in a moment a bit how it projects onto something, but it's much better than you would expect from such a little product. As I said, the variants, and let's turn on more lights, all three of them. I think now we have all three, and rotation. This is really cool, and again, our daughters just love it. So yeah, quite interesting product, cheap, simple, and most importantly, the reason I made this video, basically highly reliable, from two of them, which are quite abused by our daughters because we allow them to play with these things whatever and whenever they want. They did not manage to break any. So yeah, that's a good product. And this is the ceiling at night, adding colors to it, combination, and let's have this one. And if you want rotation. So the stars kind of do move one in respect to the others because of the position of the LEDs themselves. So it's a really nice effect, honestly. So overall, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like. And yes, it's quite silent. You hear the motor, but just a tiny bit, so it will not bother you. But obviously at night, shut the motor off. But yeah, even when it's running, it's not something that will bother you. So yeah, that's about it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.